Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our accommodation here in Manila, and we'll be staying here for 3 nights and 4 days, and it's because we have a lot of appointments here before we go home to Australia. Ayan, here it is. It has a nice view surrounded with high-rise, beautiful buildings. Ayan, and by the way, this bedroom is good for 2. In short, for couples only. Ayan. On the other side is the bedroom for our kids. Ayan. And here's our toilet. Ayan, a simple toilet because this is only an Airbnb, a condominium apartment located in Manila, Philippines. Since we have just arrived here, ayan, pasensya kayo sa mga kalat namin guys. Ayan, importante na room tour namin ulit kayo dito sa aming bagong accommodation. Alright, let's take a look of the veranda in the bedroom too. Ayan. As you can see guys, this accommodation has its own pool. And if you're gonna take a closer look guys, ayan, makikita mo ang overviewing ng NAIA Terminal 3. Pasensya na sa aming kalat. Ayan, punta tayo sa kitchen namin. Sa amin. Living room. Sige ka. Living room. At this moment, we're browsing around to look for our food again. Food trip na naman tayo guys. Kung saan-saan na lang kami mapadpad dito. Pinoy foods, here we come! So ayan mga friendships, samahan nyo kami. Maglahad tayo ng mahaba-haba so that makakita tayo ng hinahanap natin. Ayan, alam na this. Kakain tayo ulit at saka mag-liwaliw. Hello mga friendships, it's day 2 and we only have a simple itinerary for today because of some appointments that we need to do. Ayan. However, the 2 girls or 2 members of the family were busy attending the Enhypen concert in SM Mall of Asia. So kami naman ay magliwaliw lang doon at while waiting for them to finish the event. Alright, so keep us company till the end as we explore SM Mall of Asia. Also to include several shopping malls in Metro Manila in the following day.
yung view. Yung... Karen! Kalimutan ko paano ito i-zoom.
Mamaya, kata dyan. Bili. Lahat tayo. Ayos ah.
Ulit na si Meme. Si Meme. Alright, this is it guys. So if you like our videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe at Eden Family in Australia. Alrighty, see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.